Over the last 60 years, Niesmann Caravaning from Polch near Koblenz has become a centre of caravanning expertise known across Germany. With 7 different brands, it offers caravans and motor caravans ranging from affordable starter models to dream vehicles. A very good selection of new vans, but also used ones. Good.
Gefällt uns gut, ne?
We like it, don't we?
Ja. Sehr viele.
A lot of caravans, aren't there?
Ja.
Yeah. There's a great range on offer, above all from premium manufacturers. Our camper van was a rental vehicle that we could buy when it was 2 years old for a relatively low price. That 60 years of experience in the caravanning trade is particularly obvious when it comes to used vehicles. Here, condition, equipment, safety and quality have priority. The experienced staff here have been familiar with many models since they were unveiled at trade fairs. When it comes to new vehicles, Niesmann Caravaning deals in strong brands and reliable partners. The market leader in caravanning hobby is known for its excellent equipment and innovative technology. Fendt's true values in their caravans are luxurious ambience and high-quality workmanship. The motor caravan range is also wide, from the compact campervan to the luxury liner. Campervans under the brand Vantura and Hummercar are flexible and comfortable while remaining dynamic. The motorhomes of the Börsner brand offer limitless comfort for both couples and families. The motorhomes of traditional German brand Hummer have been known for their innovation and top quality since they were founded over 70 years ago. Concorde's luxury models meet the highest demands in terms of quality, space and design. With this premium manufacturer, there are no limits. Caravanning dreams can also be rented at Niesmann Caravaning, not just bought. And along with the modern and practical caravans and motorhomes, the luxury models of the Concorde brands are also available. If you want, they come with a smart in the garage. We spent the last 2 summers in a caravan for our big summer holidays and we liked it. It was really easy. They explained everything to us at the beginning. That was good because we hadn't done it before. We've rented a motor caravan every year since 2011. About 7 times. And every time they were the best holidays we've ever had. Once the customer has found the right vehicle for their holiday, the team from Niesmann Caravaning finds the time for a thorough introduction to the vehicle. They're shown proper operation of the gas system, the water system, and the power system. The van's cab is explained in detail, of course, as well as what to think about when driving a motor caravan on the road. In addition, Niesmann Caravanning's homepage has useful tips and tricks for a successful caravanning holiday. There are checklists and vehicle and technology tips that are available for download when you're underway as well. Thoroughly prepared, your carefree caravanning dream holiday can begin. Owners of caravans and motor caravans will find experienced experts at Niesmann Caravaning to talk about service, repairs and upgrades. We bought the former test vehicle in 2017 and since then we've been bringing it back for maintenance to check for leaks and for upgrades. I'm very happy here. Herr Karbach is very organized and does a great job representing Niesmann. If we have an emergency, you get a workshop slot right away. If it's a regular inspection, like a leak check, then I book well ahead, several weeks in advance. Vehicles of all sizes fit into the impressive workshop hall, from compact caravans to luxury motorhomes. The technical equipment of this modern body shop, combined with its certified expertise, means it can carry out any work necessary on your holiday vehicle. From technical inspection to gas checks, equipment upgrades and accident repairs. 34 service team members make sure everything goes smoothly and that all work is carried out at a high level. At Niesmann Caravaning, caravans and motorhomes of all brands are in very good hands. To complement your caravan or motorhome, caravanning fans will find all sorts in the well-stocked shop at Niesmann Caravaning. Here there's an extensive range of items for outdoors and hiking, cooking and barbecuing, camping equipment, and of course everything you need for your holiday vehicle. There's a huge selection here. I've rarely seen something as big as this. We bought all the things we need here in the shop. In the outdoor shop, you'll find numerous items to optimize your enjoyment of nature. Clothing, shoes, rucksacks, sleeping bags, and sleeping mats. What's really great here is their expertise. I love to hike and I have my special salesperson who enjoys the same hobby I do and always advises me well. That's why I bought my entire hiking equipment here, including rucksack, shoes, trousers and jackets. Camping, caravanning and barbecuing, a popular combination on holiday. So of course it makes sense to offer customers an extensive range of barbecuing equipment. At Niesmann Caravaning, cookout fans will find just what they need. And you can also learn how to do it properly at special events and seminars. In the camping and caravanning shop, customers find everything they need for their caravan or motorhome. From small replacement parts and additional equipment like electric cables or wedges, to camping furniture, dishes and plates, multimedia equipment, specialist reading material and caravanning guides. In reality, the 1,200 square meter Niesmann Caravaning shop is 3 shops in one. Our team at Niesmann Caravaning brings independence, joy and the love of discovery into the lives of our customers. We put special emphasis on working closely with the customers, on reliability, on being friendly and competent in every area: rental, sales, shop and service. With its extensive range and 60 years expertise in the business, Niesmann Caravaning is one of the leading caravanning competence centers in Europe. A reliable partner for caravanning fans.